Valve-proof LED fixture, industrial lighting for more city green. More energy saving as incandescent CFL replacement. Multiple wire connection methods with 5 screw holes junction box. The PC screw cap could be recycle use. 90-180 degree adjustable design for multiple installation. Pendant, wall mount, ceiling mount. Better light distribution with column radiator design. PC cover instead of glass with rust-proof iron cage. IP65 wet location design. Fix the junction box with screw on wall ceiling, which strong enough in case of falling down. Screw in the pipe on the junction box. Main line through the pipe. Wiring the main lines of vapor-proof LED fixture with connector caps. Make sure the ceiling ring located between 2 plastic parts. Then finish the installation with screws. Damp gear adjustable design provide more lighting angle option. Durable safe design for different tough environment. Use with PC cover, not glass. 90-180 degree adjustable design provide more lighting area option. 45 degree and 90 degree suggested to be installed on wall for corridor lighting. 180 degree for pendant or ceiling installation.